What's up, crypto superstars? This is Michael and welcome back to Naked Crypto. I'm a TA and I've been following the market for almost 10 years now. So anyway, guys, let's check the market today. And today is Friday, December 2, 2022, and we are on fear. And the crypto bubbles right now, it's actually looking great right now. And so before we go to the chart, if you can smash that like, that would be appreciated. So anyway, so this is BLX, brave new coin. So this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So if you go to daily chart, this would be my bullish scenario. So this one would be the wave 4 and wave 5 here. So this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. I was thinking maybe this one is fourth wave expanding flat. So this could be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would be my bullish scenario for Bitcoin. And another chart for another possibility for Bitcoin is if this one is ABC, this could be our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have an ending diagonal fifth wave. So after that, so if we break this trend line here, we might go somewhere here. Let's see. For now, let's see the all-time high. The all-time high is 69,000, somewhere there. So let's see the all-time high for now. That would be my bullish scenario. My bearish scenario, though, it already break on this trend line. So if this one is wave 3, 4, 5, then we will see a correction now. I hope that's not the case. So we might still see the price. I hope so. We still have a bounce here as long as we don't break down on this 13,900 on this level here. Because if we touch this level here, then this thing will be invalidated, and we are now going for a long bear market. Sorry to say that, guys, but right now on the 1 hour chart, this could be a ascending channel. So I'm projecting a head and shoulders pattern for Bitcoin. So let's see if this one will go for a correction. And Ethereum on the weekly, it could be a ascending triangle here. This could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So if we treat this one on this trend line, it already bearish scenario, it already broke on this trend line here. So it already passed here. So but there's another trend line here, another trend line. So here, another trend line here. So bearish scenario, if we pass below this trend line, then could be a long bear market. But right now we are still on the safe side for Ethereum. This it looks like it's creating a descending channel here, which is actually a bullish pattern. If we zoom a little bit more, let's see if we'll bounce here at 875. But unfortunately, if we break below this 875, then it would be a long bear market. Sorry to say this, guys, but the question is, what are you going to do if we go for a long bear market? That's the question. Are you willing to hold for let's say 4 years, 5 years? Because if you can see this Bitcoin, the all-time high from 2017, it took 3 years to go back to the all-time high for Bitcoin. So let's say right now, guys, are you willing to wait for, let's say, 3 years to get the top all-time high for Bitcoin? That is the question, guys. You can visit also my Naked Crypto group here. I've been posting this one as this one is S&P right now, guys. This could be a descending channel, descending expanding wedge. So this could be two scenarios. It could be if we break above this 4,000 level, well, bull market will begin. But if we fail to break to the upside, then bear market continues. Something to think about, guys. So I've been posting this one. Oh, these are my gains from my previous trades. So definitely, guys, check it out, guys. I have a group here. Naked Crypto group. I've been posting this for my group here. It's free. If you want to join, just let me know, comment down below, and we go for that. If you find this video informative, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing already and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my video updates. And for now, plan your trade, trade your plan, and ride a wave. See you.